Universal, we have over 70 stores in Andhra Pradesh. We have more than 300 stores across the country. We started from south, and in AP we are currently doing extremely good business and we are expanding. Currently we have 70 stores and we will be opening more stores. We will be crossing 100 by the end of this year. And with the association of Mahesh Babu, it has given us tremendous mileage in terms of brand awareness, recall, and of course, it has also helped us to grow our business tremendously. Today on this occasion, we are partnered with Mahesh Babu as a brand ambassador. He has been an ambassador for more than a year, and today's audio launch for the movie Kaleja is being organized, and we had this function today, and all of you have seen the response what Hyderabad has given for this festival today. The whole area of Himayatnagar has got a festival mood. We want to be doing more than 800 crores in this year. We have plans to do more than 850 crores for the current year, and we will be opening more stores. Currently we have over 300 stores. Ultimately we want to expand to 1,000 stores across the country over the next few years. Universal is the only place which offers a good buying experience for the customer. If you go to any other mobile stores, people will not be showing a live phones. Here in this store, for example, you have close to 100 models which can be experienced by the customer before buying. In no other shop, people will not open a box till you buy the phone. Here, you have an opportunity to physically check the phone, how it is functioning, whether it satisfies your needs, requirements, and then select your phone. We will give you the advice on which phone will suit you the best according to your usage, according to the budget, according to your brand preference. We have the widest range, we have the live demo experience, we have expert assistants to help the customer. In mobile the features are many, brands are too many, it's complicated. This year we will be doing 850 crores turnover. The response has been phenomenal. Today you go to anywhere, whether it is in the college campus or in a movie theater or in a bazaar, people talk only about mobile. Which mobile you have, when did you buy, where did you buy, which feature you are using. There is a craze about mobiles today. There are plenty of new models are coming, between now to this thing. The 3G will ensure that, customers get better data downloading. It will become one, what people call a convergence device. Today you see people using laptops, people using desktops, people using telephones, people using internet. Mobile phone will be one instrument which will replace all these things together. The objective of Universal, the motto of Universal is to give the best customer service, the best experience customer can get for the money he is spending. We are not here to push only those items where margins are there, but we would like to understand the need of the customer, giving the best shopping experience so that he can go and refer new customers to us. That has been the success mantra for us.